Hello guys, myself Rakesh Patil. Today's date is 24 November 2021. Today's topic is break and continue. Break and continue statement in Java. The break and continue statement in are the jump statement that are used to skip some statement inside the loop or terminate the loop intermediately without checking the test expression. This statement can be used inside any loops such as for while loop, do while loop, and while loop. Break statement. The break statement in Java used to terminate from the loop intermediately. When the break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop iteration stop there and control return from the loop intermediately to the first statement after loop. Basically, break statement are used in situation when we are not sure about the actual number of iteration for the loop or in Java, break statement is a majority used for to exit the loop used to serialize from go to and terminate sequence in a switch statement. Using break to exit a loop. Using break, we can force intermediate termination of loop by passing the conditional expression and the remaining code in the body of the loop. When you are use breaks inside the nested loop, it will only break out of the innermost loop using break as form of goto. Java does not have goto statement because it provides a way to branch and attribute and unstructured manner. Java use label. A label is used identify the block using break to terminate a sequence in a switch statement. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides easy way to dispatch execute to different parts of code based on the value of the expression. The break statement it is used inside the switch to terminate the segment sequence. The break statement is optional. If omit execution will continue on into the next course. Continue. The continue statement in Java used to skip the current iteration of loop. We can use continue statement inside the type of loop statement for while and do while. Basically, continue statement are used in situation when we want to continue loop, do not want to remaining statement after the continue statement. Using continue to continue a loop. Using continue, we can skip the current iteration of loop and jump to the next iteration of the loop. Thank you for watching.